I am here today with a haul. Two hauls, actually, maybe three. I just haven't had a chance to video. Crazy week, and I don't have time to get this up. Probably won't even get it up for probably another day or so. Anyway, yeah, I'm working on a conference I got to put on this weekend. Travel out of town and do that, and so I just been busy. So I haven't had a chance to craft either this week, but I'm gonna show you what I got. I did get this roll. So I thought it was pretty. I love the gold and white. And this is a 30 by 5. It is $2.19. And the number is 1889424. It just says Kinsey.gold. And this is, because it says 917. Sure, they should have that on clearance. This is just some tissue paper, 15 sheets, $2.99. Golden hearts, 15 count, and it's 1955939. And then this is some other gold dot tissue, 10 sheets, $1.99, 1933755. Alrighty. Now, I know I got this last week. These are the veneer chips, 15 piece, Flower Girl by We Are Memory Keepers. And this is what it looks like on the back. And so the number on that one is 1964095. I did pick up a couple more Graphic 45, and I believe I have, this is a duplicate, so this needs to go back. And this is My Fair Lady. Excuse me, Off to the Races. It's $4.99. Oops, my little wall is gonna fall down. And you see all my messy stuff on my scrapbook table. And this is 1970902. If you can see that. And then this one is Off to the Races. And I do have some papers, that's why I got these. And this one is 1970901. And I was so pleased to find this one because I definitely have all the safari stuff. And this one is 1970896. This is the one with the lion. Last week I got the one with the elephant. So I was pleasantly surprised to get that one. So, let's see. Some wood veneers. Studio Calico, 22 piece. This has been out before. This is called My Type, and it's 1964076. And this is what's actually in it, if you can see that. So you got typewriters, and then you have some words such as wish, dream, happy, thanks, and stuff like that. So those little pieces. This is a new one that came out. This one's listed for June. I got this a couple days ago. This says $199, and it's 1976803. So I'm sure they'll have more this weekend since June is tomorrow. And this has been out before, but I want to got it this time. Megan Holmes, and this is $199. Her bows, and it is 1967141. Of course, you know I'll give you those numbers so that you can call the product hotline and see if it is in your area. And this is some just wedding vellum tags for 99¢, and they've been out before too. And this is 1947151. 6 piece. And it actually says vellum, but let me see something. I'm trying to see how. Well, I'll put it later. I did get a couple quilling. They had a whole bunch of different quilling. And I just got 2 more sets. I'm not going to get any more. But they're all $2.99. This is a 200 piece because it is that pearlescent. And then the one in the matte finish comes in $250. And then one of the real skinny strips come in $500. So this one, this is the, does it have a name? A color name? Green, it just says greens and blues. And it is 1957427. So a couple shades of greens and blues, and I think it's like 4 different designs in these, and this one too. And this one is just called pinks and reds, and it is 1957424. So this is 27 and this is 24. Still can't find all the tools. I just got the regular manual one, but I was trying to get some of the other tools. That's what I was looking for. And these been out before, but for some reason I wanted to get them this time. It says live, dream, love, joy, and hope, and they were all nicely in the right spot, and none fell down. They're $1.49 I see, and it's 1955084. So these are just some little danglers you can put in your planner, you can put on a tag, anything like that. Just like these paper clips by Bella Boulevard, and they're called Cute Clips, and this is by Wild Berries. They came in different colors, so if you go check them out, these are just like felt clips. You know, you actually can make these, but those bowls are so nicely done. For $1.49, and it's 194,666. Excuse me, 194,6697, and so it's a 5-pack. Sorry if I was out of frame. Got these 2 packs of, who are these? Nola Blake paper red flowers, because you know, hey, I love red, and it's hard to find red anything. 40 count each, and they're various sizes, 99¢, and it's 1967245. So just put some little centers pieces in there. You could even put some of these little wheeled flower pieces in the middle. Let's see. This is the Wanderlust Paper Ephemera by Teresa Collins for $1.99. 1961734, and on the back you can kind of see the pieces. So black, white, and gold, which pretty much can go in any color combination because they're neutral. Did get a couple of the little bicycle sticker sets. They had a third one, but it was bent up, so I didn't get it. But they were 99¢. Let's see if they have the same number. Nope, this one ends in 54, and then this one ends in 55. So the number is 1972054. And then the one with summer on is 55. So this one just says friends, hello, happy, dream, bless, bliss, sing, those kind of things. My happy place. Sorry about the glare. It's inside of the paper, then it has that, it's on that plastic. And then this one is summer, spring, beach bum, sizzling, sensation, hot, cool, those kind of things. And this one, I actually really didn't mean to pick it up, but I mean, it's fine. But I was holding it, taking a picture to put some, I had to post my stuff on Instagram. I ain't had a moment to do that. But anyway, this is $1.99 Heidi Swap. They had quite a few Heidi Swap stuff in this week. 1976792, and it just says embellishment shapes pink. So these are like clear stickers that you can use. They had her shakers. What else did they have? I can't even remember now. All the different stuff they had. Pink paisley, just some puffy stickers, more like it says freedom stickers. So, and this is $1.99. 1964127. I didn't even look and see what it was. I just said, oh, they're cute, and I grabbed them. And then I got this for a couple of reasons. It was only $1.99. It was Teresa Collins. I said Teresa Studio. Teresa Collins, and it comes with 10 pieces of acetates, which looks like a 4x6, and it also comes with 10 card sets. So for $1.99, it wasn't bad to get the card sets, but also those acetates, which you can use and put a picture behind it, or you can use acetate and do something else with it, which is probably what I'm going to do. But anyway, so just always nice to have some. You can use those as overlays and projects and stuff like that as well. Taking one pad of paper on clearance. It was $2.99 on clearance. So I think it was $2.29 or $2.39. And this is 1884595. And this was I don't know if you can see the print net yellow. And then this one right here is just American Crafts. One of the paper pads, but you can cut each one of those out and use those. It's pink paisley. And then I went to 2 different Tuesday mornings. When I got 2 sets of both of these. Look at that, my wall is falling. Earthquake. Okay. So I got 2 of the confetti. Of the confetti chipboard pieces. Sorry about the glare. It's dark. It's night. And so this of course is Maggie Holmes. So I got 2 of those. I got from 2 different stores. So no, I didn't take them all. So I left sets at both stores. I got 1 of each. And let's see which one is this one. Okay, so that was, the open book. And this one was the confetti. Did that right? Okay, the confetti one is 1976762. So that goes on the paper pad, and I have that paper pad. And then the open book is the other one. If I said it wrong, I don't know. The open book one. And again, sorry about the sheen. It's dark, and it's a shadow, and that's still going to be a sheen. I don't know. Maybe that's better. This one is 1976764. So again, the confetti one is 62. The open book is 64. I did saw Ramona. There was another one that was out too. So check. I only went to. Well, I went the day these came out. I went to 3 Tuesday mornings, and 2 of the 3 had a couple sets of them each. So most of your places should have some of them. And I was so mad because they didn't have any more open book. And the place that had a whole bunch of open books, I went. Of course, all the open book paper pads were gone. But these colors are the same as her other paper line, so these are gonna be interchangeable to me because they match this one right here. But anyway. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.